as promised, I'm taking you to Mount Highway, the tallest peak in South Andaman. Okay, here there are a lot of things that you will learn. I would not have made it had I not met one gentleman called Sushant. I meet him here. You see on my right, you know, casually talking about it. He gives me a lot of information. He tells me that do you know how electricity is made here? They have power plants where they power it up with diesel, and then they generate electricity and they supply it to all the islands as such, which I didn't know about. There is a place where Mayo was killed. You might not know who Mayo is. If you're a Bangalorean, you will know Mayo Hall, which is basically what is that, a court. Okay, that gentleman was killed by one Sher Khan. Okay, because he didn't like the way that Britisher was treating them. Okay, so much of information he gave me. Not only that part of it. Okay, so now you have to
Show me the note.
uh,
Why is that not recording? This is what we see, huh? Show me the note. Note. Why is this not recording? This is what we see, huh? हाँ? यहाँ से वहाँ तक बेचता तो हाँ? Oh, this would have been clear blue water, I think.
Yeah, yes,
है ना?
yes.
Sunset, huh? Sunshine, yeah. Okay. Yeah, what I
I'm actually supposed to go by bike, but because it started pouring, this tree or this wood, that if you look at it, they say that it is non-perishable. It is so good, it won't sink, it won't rust, not rust, that break down and all this stuff. Okay, so it is raining so heavily that he calls his friend Devraju, and he accompanies us. He takes me, up this. Otherwise, in that heavy rain, I would not have made it. Thanks to these gentlemen, these two, Sushant and Devraju, that I could make it up on top. Sadly, I will tell you what happens, from the view. But it is not disappointing. At least there are people who will help me out. It was raining so heavily that when we get back down, that they stay with me. They stay with me and ensure that I come back safely. How? When it doesn't stop raining, they take me again by car, okay, to the market where I buy the jacket and the raincoat, and then I wear it and then I leave.
see. This is what right now I'm capturing. Okay. See this. तू कहाँ है? तू दिखता ही नहीं है. Sir, where are you, Sushant? Where are you? सर डालना यहाँ पे. तू पीछे इधर आ. सही. हाँ, दिख रहा है. ठीक है.
You see this here? They had mounted a 360-degree cannon where they would fire against the planes and ships. The Japanese used this, against Britishers to bring that down. Okay, with the help of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Otherwise, it would have been tough for us. So coming back to them, they were true gentlemen. Okay, you have a lot of species here, with the birds and all that. This is a forest area. If you would like to stay here, there are guest houses. You can actually book it. But I still would. I mean, there's no words to thank them. They really, they do work. Both of them work in high places. This is Nicobar Hut. Okay, in high places in LPG plant as such. But they took out the time. They took out the time to make sure that I go around, I see it, and I am safe. They ensured that I come back. Even after when I reached Port Blair, they inquired with me, did you reach? Well, that is how these people were. Hats off to these people. Yeah, more than what I could see. That what I don't see also, because of that generosity these people had. It made my day. Can you see it? You're supposed to see the ocean from here. You're supposed to see it. It is pouring. It is pouring. Mist is all over. Mist is all over. Believe me. Okay, so I'm gonna let them do the talking and tell you. From here, you're supposed to see a lot of things.
हाँ? Beautiful view. हाँ?
लेकिन अभी एकदम फॉग कर दी.
शे
इससे आपको सारा आइलैंड्स दिखेगा,
सारा आइलैंड ना
हैवलॉक, नील,
वो सब कुछ
हाँ नील भी दिखेगा।
अयो
ये देखिए यहाँ से व्यू पॉइंट है।
ओ स्वराजदीप इज दैट स्वराजदीप ये है ना कौन सा
स्वराजदीप आपका हैवलॉक, स्वराजदीप।
यहाँ से हैवलॉक दिखता है
हाँ यहाँ से आपको दिख जाएगा आइलैंड।
ओके एंड यहाँ से सर ह्यूज रॉस आइलैंड
हाँ रोसलैंड, रोसलैंड आपका यहाँ है।
ओ ये शाहिद द्वीप नहीं नील द्वीप
नील
नील
से पहले क्या रॉस कर गया
ये नील के पहले और रॉस है यहाँ से दिखता था
यहाँ से आपको ये दिखेगा।
नो व्यू ऑफ
ये
नॉर्थ
नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस आइलैंड मीन्स रॉस आइलैंड।
ओके 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 ओके
यहाँ से भी व्यू है लेकिन अभी
Shit.
बिल्कुल दिखता नहीं।
बिकॉज ऑफ दिस
ये आपका
North
नॉर्थ
में। हाँ,
लाइट हाउस
वही।
वाला।
Oh God, what a beauty yaar it would have been. Huh? And the water पूरा blue blue.
क्लियर ब्लू,
Huh?
एकदम ब्लू रहेगा और आसमान भी आपका ब्लू, आपको लाइन भी नहीं दिखाएगा। अच्छा व्यू पाएगा, बिल्कुल नहीं दिखता।
Come in cyclone time, what do we expect? है ना? These are all tents, हाँ? ये रहने के लिए टेंट है
हाँ
लगता है.
ये है और नीचे में 2 टेंट है।
टेंट
टेंट
है।
नहीं है, बढ़िया बड़ा
हाँ।
हाउस,
House,
वुड हाउस, टेंट वुड हाउस।
wood house, हाँ.